Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can edit text in PDF. Now, I'm going to show you a very simple method and I'm going to show you how to do this with a software probably everyone mostly have. So, for example, here I have a sample PDF. So it just says this is a simple PDF, fun, and it's about 10 pages long. Now, if I just want to do some very basic enhancement to this and I want to change it a little, I can do a software called Word. So let's just open Word. I'm just going to search up Word like this. Now on Word, we just have to go to our PDF. So for mine, it's going to be sample PDF here. Now Microsoft Word will give a warning such as this. I'm just going to click on OK. Now here you go. Your PDF is now an editable text document, right? So you can edit whatever one you want here. So for example, instead of fun, I just want it to be do funs here. Just delete it like that. And that's it. I've edited it. If I want to, for example, delete this line and I want to change it to hi, this is edited like this, I can do that. Now, after I edit this file, all I have to do is just click on File, just click on Save As. On Save As, click on where I want to do this. I'm just going to test examples. And instead of docs, make sure it's PDF on the drop down there, and then click on Save. And then it'll open this up, and you can see our PDF has been edited. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.